Arguably some of the best modern LEGO sets are from the beautiful Botanicals theme. But they aren't just pretty looking sets with clever techniques. No, they are some of the best parts packs that you can buy. You need to buy some of these sets if you're looking to build your own custom creations. So come with me and I'll break down the parts selection in these 3 Botanicals sets. 2 of them are on the cheaper side, but one of them is a little bit more expensive, but what you get in it is pretty good. And I tell you what, these are all packed full of sensational parts. Let's see how you can use them to build your own cool stuff. We're going to begin with the largest set, the pretty pink flower bouquet. This set is such a diverse selection of pieces. You get striking magentas, deep oranges, and some more muted greens. It's so nice to see sand green in one of these sets. Typically, botanical sets come in like dark green or traditional green, which is fine, but sand green is so cool. It's just good to see it. But my eye is drawn to these lovely boat orchids because they're sporting some brand new pieces. Look at these large magenta leaves. They're so cool. But how could you use them in a creation? LEGO Joey has used the green version of these pieces to help shape a helmet design. It's nice to see them paired with a Knight's Kingdom helmet right here. Together they do look like a medieval helmet. It's sick. But you can also use these pieces as shoulder armor, like we see here, and there's more down on the waist as well. There's a lot of great uses for these parts. You could even take some inspiration from Woomy World. He pairs them with a few other pieces, and now they look like rabbit ears. So clever. And I also love how they're being angled on some trans clear pieces, so it looks like they're kind of blowing in the breeze. Doing so adds a great sense of dynamic movement and motion to this creation. It's such a nice touch. Perhaps you could do the same. Also included in this set are 18 of these cherry pieces. Well, Aiden Builds uses these parts to create a cool looking eye design. It's a great way to add in multiple eyes in such a small confined space. Or if you want, you could spam these like Care Creations has done. Yeah, turning them into a big old brain. Okay, maybe you won't have a lime green brain, but still you can't deny how good this texture looks. You could easily take this technique and use it in other contexts, and it's still gonna look awesome. So back to the set, the construction of these pink roses. It's wonderful. So simple, but so incredibly effective. Just here you'll see the use of some of these pink armor shells. Magmafrost 13 uses them in a couple of ways. First off, to help form an elegant and almost bubbly dress design. Very nice. But they also work well on the torso, you can see them just here. Hey, it's also just nice to get pink pieces, and to get so many of them too. It's great. Speaking of getting a lot, these water lily dahlias, well, the construction of these is crazy. It uses 24 of these light nougat shields. That's so many. And I quite like how this is built as well, getting some of these white skeleton arms and linking them onto steering wheels. Simple, but pretty effective. But they also work quite well on Zakar Iron's creation. They look like scales. It also kind of reminds me of the back of a Stegosaurus with its spikes. Whatever it is, it's an incredible way of rounding off the back. It just looks good, doesn't it? See, that's the great thing about botanical sets. You often get large quantities of pieces. Like this flower design, for example. It's made up of heaps of these axe head pieces, which in itself is very clever. But mate, you get 44 of them in reddish orange. That's dope. It's just so exciting to get large quantities of pieces in these sets. That's one of the best things about them. And speaking of which, you also get 16 of these rounded leaves. And oh baby, they're in beautiful, beautiful sand green. The LEGO Dark Knight uses these parts to replicate fins on this sea serpent. I like it. And hey, actually, I also like seeing these pieces being used for scales. These pieces don't appear in any of the botanical sets I'll be talking about today, but they do appear in many others in a variety of different colors. So if you've bought other botanical sets, you probably have a few of these lying around. This is a way to use them. But if not, you could use these leaf pieces to form a tail or to form legs, like Matt Goldberg has done. Well, I rather like that. And at last, we have some dark green fern pieces. one of my favorite new plant pieces to come out in recent years. And you get 7 of them in this set. LEGO Joey used some of them here. You might not have noticed them at first glance, but they're tucked away underneath the eye. That is such a sick way of shaping this, isn't it? An unexpected but not unwelcome use of this piece. But if not, maybe you could use these parts in a similar way to Nabe mocks. Stringing them together and flowing them along the back design? What a great look! It's quite an exotic and fun way of doing a back design and putting spikes on a dragon. Different and quite dashing, if I do say so myself. So that's all the pieces that I'm going to be talking about in this set. But it is worth noting, there are so many other elements that come in this set, and they're all brilliant. I mean, just the plant pieces alone. In this set, or any botanical set, they look so good on a Bionicle, like you can see here. Or they look great on system landscape. Plant pieces in general will always be helpful. You can never have too many of them. Okay, so that is one of the more expensive botanical sets you can buy right now. But hey, the good thing about these sets is that they sell very well and they're sold all over the place. In fact, I saw some at the post office this morning, of all places. And so because of that, it's very likely that you're going to be able to pick some of these sets up on sale. So look, even a more expensive set like this, you can still get it for relatively cheap if you shop smart. But hey, even the cheaper sets are pretty good, like this Petite Sunny Bouquet. There's a ton of fantastic pieces here, even a few nice recolors as well. So exciting. But it does also come with its good share of classics, like this yellow armor shell. Marco de Bon very cleverly turns this into a neat little head. The texture, the shape of it, it matches the rest of the mech's armor quite nicely. I think it looks good. But this pink daisy also looks pretty good. We've seen this before on other sets, this same design, but that doesn't stop it looking incredibly beautiful. And spamming these paddle or oar pieces, genius. But perhaps you could take these pieces and make yourself a nice little spine design. Look at the way that this yellow flows down the body, with that slight angle to these parts. And that lovely pop of yellow, it works so nicely with a darker color scheme. And I think it would look even better in pink. Something to think about, isn't it? So you only get one of these in this set, but this yellow eggshell is pretty good. Plus you can also get this piece in other botanical sets. It comes in other colors, in larger quantities. It's a good little piece. But my mate Brandon Builds has used one in pink on this dude. If we zoom in and open up the helmet, you'll see it right here. It's a good way to kind of frame that yellow eye. Something about it, the sharper edges, it makes the eye stand out a little bit more and it gives it a little bit of a sinister flair, makes it a little bit more striking. So you could do the same thing, just in yellow. And finally, you get 32 of these 3-leaf pieces in bright light yellow. At the time of this recording, these only appear in this set in this color. Always good to see exclusive pieces. Patrick Biggs uses these pieces, just in other shades of orange and yellow. But hey, I want to point out how including some brightly colored leaves, well, that can just elevate a creation so much. I mean, look at this, the autumn vibes that this gives off. The way that the yellow contrasts with the black. It creates such a peaceful atmosphere, so warm and inviting. And it almost feels a little bit magical as well. So getting 32 of these pieces in one set, well, you are well on your way to doing something very similar to this. And don't forget that mock I showed you before that used some of these in green. There's plenty of uses for these pieces. It might just be the best plant element LEGO has ever made. It's so good. Over to the final set we'll be talking about today. This is the Chrysanthemum flowers. So this one came out last year, but it's still readily available on store shelves right now. That's the good thing about botanical sets. They take ages to retire. It's not too hard to find them. Bro, it's so nice to get a pot for these flowers because most botanical sets just don't include one. Like the last 2 that I showed you. Didn't come with any pots. And the design of this brick-built one is gorgeous. So let's start there, shall we? How can you use some of these rounded brick pieces? Eero Okanonen uses them in a few ways, actually. Whether it's to create this hair that looks like it's flowing in the breeze, or to create a cape that also looks like it's flowing in the wind. Doesn't that look awesome? Eero Okanonen, man, he's a true master of his craft. Going back to the set, look at these colors. The subtle gradient of yellow, orange, and red, it is gorgeous. Honestly, dude, this might be my favorite botanical set. It is so pretty. And using different colored bananas to pull off this look, so clever. And yep, you guessed it, how can you use these pieces in your own creations? Well, maybe you could build a cute little bug, and you use bananas for his legs. I mean, it looks pretty good, doesn't it? And it's nice that you get so many in so many different colors as well. That's the best. The flowers are also made up of these orange claw elements. You get 16 of them. And J6 Crash, well, they've used these pieces in tan on the back of this dinosaur. Yet with the large quantity that you get in this set, you could totally recreate the same thing, for the most part. And actually, this mock by Joxon also uses the exact same pieces, getting them together and turning them into a fringe design on this hair. Isn't that clever? So there you go, that's a look at all of these wonderful pieces. Now look, hey, that's just 3 botanical sets, but dude, there are so many out there and every single one of them is a banger. Great sets, great techniques, and some of the best selection of pieces you're ever gonna see. Go and buy some. Hopefully this video has inspired you and given you some ideas for your next creation, but I want you to see the links in the description below. There you can find more work from the builders I featured today. If you want more inspiration, that's the place to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Happy building, and bye for now. Also, those LEGO One Piece sets are looking pretty good. I need to pick some of them up.